Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Ayan, happy birthday sa aking Wim Alaysa Loy Sirapico, and good health and more blessings to come, and stay healthy and stay strong and good. God bless and happy birthday.
Hello, Bibi Eliza. Happy birthday. Enjoy your day. God bless.
Hello, baby Eliza. Happy birthday. More blessing and good health always. Enjoy your day today. God bless.
Hello, baby Eliza. Happy birthday. May you have many more birthday to come. Thank you sa pagtulong mo sa pag-edit dun sa YT ko, yung cover page niya. Yan. Actually, nandito ako sa school ngayon.
Happy birthday, Bebe Eliza. Wish you all the best in life and matupad mo sana lahat ng pangarap na minimiti mo sa buhay. And maging happy lang everyday kung paano kita nakilala. And ayun, stay positive always and happy birthday. Thank you.
Happy birthday, Baby Eliza. Wishing you a lots of joy, laughter, and good health. Sana matupad mo lahat ng pangarap mo and enjoy your day. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. You know, happy birthday, Eliza. Enjoy your day. Enjoy mo lang ang araw mo o nagdadalaga ka na. Yan, enjoy mo lang ang iyong pagkabata. Huwag masyadong magmadali sa paglaki at enjoy mo lang. May stress ka pag lumaki ka kaagad. Joke lang. Sabi ng anak ko, magpadala ka raw ng lechon. Yon. Happy birthday. Yun lang. And God bless you. Bye.
Hello, Nakaliza! Happy birthday to you! Ayan, ang wish lang sa'yo ni Mama ay sana, ayan, lagi kang healthy, iwas na sa mga bawal para hindi na tayo nagkakasakit. Ayan, again, happy birthday and enjoy your day!
Hello, good morning. Happy birthday in advance ha. Baby Eliza, kumusta na? Sana kamit mo ang iyong mga pinapangarap sa buhay. Happy birthday ulit. Thank you.